Fix rips and holes fast with an ultra-strong, peel-and-stick repair tape that requires no heat or sewing, ideal for use on tents, tarps, jackets, vinyl furniture, and other synthetic materials. Apply Tenacious Tape to almost anything with its aggressive adhesive that bonds permanently to nylon, mesh, vinyl, rubber and plastic. Not recommended for seams, denim, cotton, or natural fabrics. Make a washable repair sealed with this repair tape featuring a waterproof coating that won't peel off over time. Available in 3x20 strip. Use the nylon fabric, black, red, yellow, OD green and coyote, ripstop fabric, sage green and off-white, and clear vinyl for a nearly invisible repair. Packaging may vary. Use Tenacious Tape to fix holes and tears quickly on technical, synthetic fabrics including vinyl, nylon, rubber and plastic gear. It's a peel-and-stick, weatherproof repair tape that's washable and won't peel over time. It sticks to jackets, tents, and tarps, staying put no matter what Mother Nature dishes out. Instantly make a tent repair with Tenacious Tape in ripstop nylon or clear tape for a barely noticeable solution. Tenacious Tape also comes in a tough, flexible nylon fabric strip for jackets and other camping gear. For inflatables and sleeping pads requiring heavy-duty fixes, use puncture-resistant Tenacious Tape Flex Patches. When outdoor gear gets ripped or torn, Tenacious Tape will handle it, allowing you to stay outside longer. Top reviews from the United States. Worked when duct tape didn't. I have an older duffel bag that I've traveled the world over with. It started to wear thin in a few places and had a few holes. I first tried using duct tape, but that didn't last long and started to peel off after only one trip. I needed something that I wouldn't have to redo after each trip. This did the trick. It was easy to apply, has a strong stick, and has lasted multiple trips without any sign of wear. It does the job I needed it to do and didn't break the bank. Highly recommend.